Just a reminder. Mommy's home, mommy's home, mommy's home, mommy's home. You got cash, you got, yeah.
This is what I look like after a 10-hour workday and a 2-hour commute. Link's coming to check it out. So just got done with dinner. I wanted to take him for a walk, but it's raining in Michigan. So I took a little video of what I had for dinner, but I'm really enjoying this coconut LaCroix. It's really good. Salad with just cheese and ranch, 2 chicken legs, and a coconut LaCroix. And I'm sorry if my dishwasher is really loud. I made a salad and then I had 2 chicken legs, but I actually only ate 1. I'm kind of full, so I'm not going to eat it. But a while back now, Tarani Syrups had messaged me on Instagram and asked if they could send me a sample. And I was like, yeah, because I absolutely love Tarani and I use it all the time in my coffees. Besides for the skinny syrups, I use Tarani. And I was excited to be, oh, Zinky! Oh, are you okay? Are you okay? Oh, he hit his little baby head. He fell. He's just trying to get to my extra chicken leg. Get down. I'm sorry you fell. Okay. Anyways, where was I? Yeah, I was excited because the only flavors that they really sell of Tarani here, without going to a bigger store that I've seen, is hazelnut and vanilla. So, I'm like, yeah, you can. Girl. So they were really nice, and the shipments actually just arrived today. So I'm excited to see what flavor I got. But I gotta move this chicken because Link, he thinks he's gonna get chicken. Let me add, this is not sponsored at all. This is just a sample I was sent in the mail, and I want to see what flavor I got. And really freaking blessed that they even showed me, because like on Instagram I post coffee pictures a lot. It's such a little bottle. Oh, you know what? It's really awesome. But it is a hazelnut. And the only flavors that we have here are hazelnut and vanilla. So this is really cool because now I don't have to go buy one. Because I actually ran out and I've just been... let me show you. So I just ran out of all of my Tarani, and I use, like, this is what I use all the time. So a long time ago, you might have remember seeing in one of my videos, I had bought this from Bed Bath & Beyond because it came with this. Now, I think there's something wrong with this syrup, and honestly, I should just throw it away. Don't ask me how I ended up using this much of the syrup before realizing that there was something with it, because it is not. It's like a weird soury flavor, and I kept thinking, well, I'm not adding enough of this in. I'm not adding enough of this in. There's something wrong with this bottle. And come to find out, this expired in November. And I didn't buy this until like February. So, yeah, I think that's why. And I just haven't thrown it away. So that's just been sitting there because I've bought the Starbucks sugar-free vanilla ones, and it does not taste like this. So, yuck. And then look at how much of this I've used. Every day I've been using this. This is so good. This was sent to me by Plus Size Mama. I love this. This is so good. Thank you so much, Plus Size Mama. So good. I love this. I use it all the time. But I was like, oh, I need to buy some more Tarani because this is almost gone and I can't find this in any stores around me. So hold on. Link has to go outside. Okay, where was I? So yeah, they do not sell this anywhere in stores near me. This is like an Amazon thing. So I was like, oh, I need to go to the store and I need to buy some more Tarani. Guess what? I don't got to now because I got this. Let's see. Love flavor as much as your keto lifestyle? Excuse me! Add more flavor to your coffee or protein shakes, chia puddings, fat bombs, etc. when you have Tarani in your home. Like what you're tasting, show us some Instagram love for a chance to be featured in our stories. Follow Tarani on Instagram, post a pic of your sweet Tarani life, take your pic with Tarani flavor. Check out our 35 plus sugar-free flavor options at shop.tarani.com. See? 35 plus options, and you send me the one that I have in my town. Tarani, I love you, but come on. So, just so you guys know, if you've never heard of Tarani, you've seen it in my videos before. It is definitely one that I use. Purified water, natural and artificial flavors, citric acid, I don't even know how to say this. Asulfame, potassium, sodium benzoate. Oh my god, I'm not reading this. Potassium, sorbate, xanthan gum, sucralose, the Splenda brand. So, I mean, a lot of people, they don't like sucralose. So, if you're one of those people, then this wouldn't be for you. It doesn't bother me. It doesn't bother my body. It doesn't cause me any stalls. Caramel coloring, and it does contain hazelnut and peanut allergens, so please do not try this if you have allergens. It's 2 tablespoons for a serving size, 0 calories, 0 fat, 0 carbs, 0 sugar, 0 protein. There's 10 sodium, and it's made with Splenda. So I'm down for this. I really am. The only flavors I have had is hazelnut and vanilla, which hazelnut I absolutely adore. Like, love hazelnut. So, I'm excited to try this. I never thought to put it in a chia pudding, which I need to make. I bought the stuff to it, and I never made it. I need to make that, put it in a video. See, what I see in this picture, they have sugar-free caramel. Come on now. You couldn't send me that? I want to know what the 35 plus sugar-free flavor options are. Anyways, that's all. You don't have to buy it. You don't have to try it. I just wanted to show you. This was kind of neat because this was like my first PR package. It's not PR, I know. It's just a free sample. But whatevs, right? I highly recommend this. They're really good too. This also has xanthan gum and sucralose and all that. Only this doesn't have any sodium in it. This literally has 0 everything, but it does have 3 potassium and 1 calcium. Everything else is 0. And the serving size is 1 fluid ounce. You can do a lot of stuff with these. More than you, more than you would think. And basically, moral of the story is don't buy Starbucks sugar-free syrup from Bed Bath & Beyond.